Let's try a word problem this time. If you have $20 and would like to buy toys that cost $2 each, how many toys can you buy? This problem can be written as 20 divided by 2. So I have $20 and I would like to know how many toys I can buy if each toy is $2 each. So there are three ways we can visualize this. We can say how many equal segments of 2 are there in 20? Or if I divide 20 into 2 equal parts, how big is each segment? Or how many times can I subtract 2 from 20? It's up to you how to best visualize a division problem, but it seems that for this problem, the best would be the first one, which is how many toys that cost $2 each can I have for $20? So if this number line represents our $20 and we find out how many $2 are in our $20, so what we're going to do is we are going to draw sections which are $2 long. And then after that, we count how many sections that are $2 long are inside $20. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we know that $20 divided by $2 is equal to 10. Or there are 10 $2 in $20. Let's try another word problem. If there are 18 people in your class and there are 3 tables, how many people can be in each table if they were to be an equal number of students per table? Now this problem can be written as 18 divided by 3. Or you have 18 students and you would like to divide them by 3 tables. And you'd like to know how many students are in each table if there are exactly the same number of students per table. So again, there are 3 ways we can visualize this problem. We can say how many equal segments of 3 are there in 18? Or if I divide 18 into 3 equal parts, how big is each segment? Or how many times can I subtract 3 from 18? Again, it's up to you how to best visualize this division problem, but it seems for this problem, the best would be the second one, which is how many students are there in each table. If this number line represents the number of students we have, so we have 18 students, and what we're going to do is we are going to divide 18 students into 3 equal groups. So we could have one group, we could have another group, and then we can have another group. So we have created 3 separate parts that have the same number of students in them. So you can see that in this part there are 6 students. In this part there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students as well. And then in this part you can see that there are 6 students as well. So now we know that the answer to 18 divided by 3 is 6. Or if we divide 18 students into 3 tables, we would have 6 students per table. Was this lesson helpful? Go share it now to your family and friends by tapping or clicking the share button. Here are videos and playlists you could watch also. Keep on learning!